You're busy. We get it. We understand. You're overwhelmed. Your senior staff has left. You're training up juniors, trying to figure out how to get everybody organized and working in the way that they should be working. That's why we're here. We've been doing this for 30 years. We understand that, and we understand how to come in and assess your current situation and give you a prescription for what it takes to get you on the track that you want to be on, that you need to be on as rapidly as possible, and how to show leadership a return on that investment in the process. September 30th, 2025. 9/25/25. End of life Maximo 7.6. That means you're going to start paying an escalated fee for support if you have not moved off of 7.6. Now, I know Maximo 7.6, the platform works. It's easy to manage. That Red Hat OpenShift container stuff is probably outside of most organizations' capability to maintain and execute on internally. It's more expensive. The upgrade to app points is another problem to address and wrap your head around. Nevertheless, here's what we know. We know that you can actually see an ROI on your investment in Maximo. You can see an ROI on your upgrade to the Maximo application suite. How do you do that? Well, we have separate videos specifically talking about that, but you pick the low-hanging fruit, whether it is improvement of your PM scheduling and things like inspection rounds, better handling of your on-hand inventory, or a focus on getting good problem cause remedy codes recorded against every production downtime work order so that we can start to get predictive just in that one little narrow field. There's a lot of ways to do this. But the key is to get your organization in a position so that you can adopt some of these new practices so that you can generate that ROI. And more than likely, if you're not doing it today, it's because your system is not configured to do it and because your people, your technicians in the field are not enabled to do it. So that's going to take work. So you can do it on 7.6 or you can do it on the new application suite platform that's also going to offer you things like visual inspection, worker insights, monitor health, predict, and a whole other suite of applications available to you all under one roof once you get moved off of 7.6. So each individual organization is going to see a different value add proposition in there because there's a ton of stuff. The key is to start digging deep into how you run your business, how you would like to see your business operate, and what's the capacity of your staff at the moment today. There's always a fit. There's always an opportunity. The key is to get some help in there because you're busy. We know it. You're too busy and you've had a lot of senior staff leave. You're trying to get new people up to speed to do things. You don't have the time to focus on it. We know it's true, but that's why we're here. We've been doing this for 30 years. We're here to support you. So we want to talk to you and help you understand how within your special set of circumstances, you can achieve these goals and actually show leadership that this is not just an investment, it's actually a return on investment for the organization. So, love to hear your comments below. Like, subscribe. Let's talk before September 30th, 2025 and get you upgraded to the Maximo application suite. Get ready with Banetti.